Welcome to the Book Club Bakery. This is where we make the delicious bread we used to give you. How many of you have tasted our bread before? Who is that person talking? If you talk again, you go to the library. Very good. That delicious bread, can keep your hands down. That delicious bread you tasted was made in this bakery. But today we're not making bread. We're going to teach you how to make pancakes. You can move your hand from your hips. How many of you love pancakes? Auntie, I ate pancake this week. Let me see your hand.
I ate pancake this week.
When did you eat pancake?
This week.
What day?
That last Saturday.
Okay, last week. So that who ate pancake this week? Okay. Okay, she ate pancake on Friday. Then when did you eat pancake?
I ate pancake when it was Saturday.
When it was Saturday. Okay, then ate pancake last Saturday. Yes, Terry?
Today.
You ate pancake today?
Yes, me and Zay.
Ah, amazing. Okay, when did you eat pancake? Give her the mic.
I ate pancake today.
You ate pancake today. Amazing. And today we are going to show you how to make pancakes. So with us here is our Auntie Blessing. Everybody say hello, Auntie Blessing.
Hello, Auntie Blessing.
So Auntie Blessing is going to show us and tell us the step-by-step method on how to make pancakes. So you can make it very easy for your easy breakfast menu. Are we ready?
Yes.
Okay, so Auntie Blessing, over to you. Please let's make this very fast. Okay, should I be? Do you want me to help you? Okay, so recipe for pancakes. Auntie Blessing, you tell us the measurement of flour. So Auntie Blessing is about to measure the flour right now.
Be quiet.
Okay, so 2 scoops of flour. Okay, 2 scoops of flour. For those of you that like sugar too much, please, not too much sugar. Auntie, what's the quantity of this sugar? Okay, the scoop you use in scooping the flour, one of the scoop you measure it halfway of the scoop, and then you have the quantity for sugar. Okay, then 1 egg. How many of you can break egg, fresh egg? Yes, so you do it nicely. Now, notice that, who is that person talking? Notice that she's mixing the egg in a separate cup. Very good.
How many eggs?
One egg. She's mixing the egg in a separate cup, and then she's going to pour it inside the flour and sugar mixture. Okay, now this is steam milk. Actually, let's describe the steam milk so you can see. This is steam milk. Okay.
What small quantity of based on the measurement of the flour and sugar.
Okay, please say that again.
You will use the milk based on the measurement of the flour and the sugar.
Okay, so you're going to pour in the tea milk based on the measurement of the flour and the sugar. Okay? That's enough milk.
This is dry pepper.
Okay, this is dry pepper. So it will give it enough taste. Please stop talking. Please remember, you don't put in too much pepper.
Yes. You will use small quantity of the pepper.
You use small quantity of pepper.
Who is talking?
Charles, leave I do. Come outside. Turn down it.
And this is salt.
Any other thing apart from what you was going on here? Yeah, you see, it's not too thick, it is not too light. So Auntie is going to mix it. She'll keep mixing it till she gets her consistency. Not too thick and not too watery or light. Thank you. Okay, now our pancake is ready to be fried. Auntie, please let's show them the consistency. Thank you. See, can we all see the Auntie, bring it down a bit. Can we all see the consistency?
Yeah.
is not too watery or light, of course. So we are going to fry. Now for the frying stage, we need everybody to shift backwards. Let's shift behind. I don't want anybody to touch anything. Okay, so we are about to fry. For this frying, we are going to shift this behind so they can see. Now we are not plenty, so we can we all see? So Auntie has put some little amount of oil on fire. She's going to put the pancake. Please watch us, Auntie.
Can you see it?
Outside for the next batch. Another, sure you can be regulating them for